Hello guys, this is Riot-gaming here doing a 100k pack opening. I might have a 150k pack opening, depends on it. So let's get into it. This is my first pack. Let's skip it. And a shit pack, like my pack lock is. We'll just quick so that I'll be doing a lot of FIFA 15 videos when that comes out, so I will. So look forward to that. And what is it? Alright, if you could give this video a like and subscribe and share it to your friends, that'd be good. Sorry about the game feature on sorry about the camera. I know it's a bit bad, but I'll have to deal with it until August the 20th, because I'm getting an Elgato facecam, an Elgato summer, and this is on Xbox 360. So far, Drogba, put him in. Don't know if he'll go for a lot because he transfer, but I don't think it will. I've not checked any of his transfers. I've got 85k left. Oh fuck's sake, man. Padlock's been shit. Oh, there's my Xbox froze again. The game's unreadable. Sorry for this guys, this is a major holdback. All I know is yesterday I got the team of the season Dempsey. So that was when they first came out, so I sold for 400k. Jammy person there, so hopefully I could get a good player today. I've been looking at Thierry Henry. I was wondering, should I keep him if I get him? Like, if I get him, because I just got lucky yesterday. Because he does look good and his stats look good, but I don't know if I should, because if anything I would have kept that Dempsey, but I just wanted to sell him to get more packs. This is on Xbox 360. If I might have already said that, but stuff it. Oh yeah, and comment anything, comment whatever you want me to do, like challenges and that, challenges. I'll be doing a lot of Black Ops 2 as well. Challenges and what else? All that kind of stuff, and Watch Dogs, and that. I'll do whatever you guys want, so. Q&As, I'll be doing quite a bit of Q&As, so I will. I'm on to 66k. sorry about the quality of this again. On Call of Duty I'll do a lot of live streaming on that server. This is 6 o'clock in the morning, so not a lot of people will see it now, if you get me. But if you do see it, could you please like it, subscribe and share it, because I've got, I think it's 33 subscribers now, so I do. But I just started like a couple weeks ago, like 3 weeks ago, 2 weeks ago, and I'm going to start like uploading a lot, and I've just got a shit player again. It's fucking shit, man. I'll be doing a lot of pink slips if you like to leave your gamer tag in the bottom, like in the link below. So I've got a little pink slip these soon. See how that goes. Now we're starting to get decent part click, 2 kills, I think. Oops. Right, come on, pray, I'll pray. I'm not winning. There yet. That's me like with the shape. I'll be going to my bed after this, man. Shadow. I'm like 29k and I've not had anyone yet. It's the worst pack a lot. That's the worst pack opening in the history of pack opening. Ralph. Look at Nicky him. I've got a crappy team because I sell some of my players, so I did to get packs and that, so I'll just sell even more. I think I've still got like Suarez and that, and still on my team. I sell Informed John Terry, Blue Card, whatever his name is, I can't say it, Aspergator or something, I can't say it, Gator or whatever. Off Chavi, don't think he goes for that much. But my pack luck's getting actually better at the moment, because first point I wasn't even getting a rare, which is a bit shit because it's promises and get a rare. Look at that, 3 rares and it doesn't even give one usually. Ramirez, I don't think he goes that much, but I'll check after this. Now I'm actually getting decent pack luck, come on. Right, just a sec, I'm going to... Right, I sell most of my team, so that's because I had a lot of good players, but I pick them up. It's a unlucky still. Alright, well I'll have to get back to you, so that's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.